All right, so today we're going to discuss divergence and how you can incorporate it in your strategy. So, first, what is divergence? Divergence is created when the price action contradicts with the movement of an indicator. That can be your TDI, your MACD, your stochastic, your RSI. It's basically the difference when the price of an asset is moving in the opposite direction of a technical indicator, such as an oscillator, or is moving contrary to other data. So let's go take a look at this, guys. I really love to catch these moves, and it works on just about any time frame. It's really good. Sometimes you can catch especially when you see it before a news event, it kind of will tell you which direction that it could possibly go in. Now, this is not an all-inclusive, just get in and look for it and just doing a reversal, put in a reversal order, but, incorporate this with your trading strategy and you will really, practice, back test it, and see how things turned out as you find it. It's really great when you find it at double tops and double bottoms. You definitely are probably headed into some kind of reversal. So, incorporate this with your trading plan and your other trading strategies. This is a example of something that happened earlier this week. This was on the 5-minute chart. I'm typically a scalper, and I try to catch off these. I try to catch at least 20-25 pips. Pretty much 20 to 25 pips and I'm out. But this one ended up to be 30 pips, which would have been a nice trade for the day. You don't need to trade everything all day, be all over the place. Find a couple of pairs that you like, learn how they move, and you can snatch up. If you trade like I do, maybe 225 pip trades per day, that's it. We want the highest quality trade setups that we can find. But here, you see, it's rough because we are on the 5-hour chart. But you can see price was increasing here, but down here on our TDI, which this line actually is the RSI, which is why I love this. I've got my momentum through the Bollinger Bands. I've got my RSI. I've got some other technicals in here, and this is my favorite one, especially when you see these shark fins out of the water. You know that you got a big move, and the Bollinger Bands are spreading out. That means that there's a lot of momentum and volatility in the market. So this right here, and we got these 30 pips. You see this is going down, and this is bearish divergence. So these do not agree. It's going up in price here, but it's going down in momentum. So that's a key sign that we potentially could have a reversal set up. So I got another one set up on the 15-minute time frame, and like I say, the higher the time frame, usually the bigger the push will be. That's typically, but like I say, you want to back test this. You want to, it comes up different on different pairs and different indices, crypto, whatever, but it can be used on stocks, crypto, forex, indices, anything that has a chart. Basically, you can start to look for this. But once you start to see these things, they really, train your eyes to look for this, because these are big setups. And like I say, this was right before a news event with CAD earlier today. And here you see it was 123 pip move. That's some significant money there. Even at a 0.01 lot size, that would have been $11.70. So imagine if you're a more experienced trader and you're using larger lot sizes. But like I say, you have to kind of train your eyes to see these things. But once you see them, you can't unsee them. And I just love when here's a double top. I mean, I know it's 2, 3 here, it looks like, but a big M. And on my MT4, I have an M and W indicator that it finds them for you. So here you have the M, that's the second leg, and boom, we had a big drop. The other thing is this shark fin was coming out of the water. That was another key indicator that, hey, we got a push coming. So this first push was 17 pips. It came back, it retested, it went a little bit higher, and then boom, we had this big drop here. So like I say, divergence is something that once you see it and start to identify it, you will never unsee it again. So I like to look for double tops and double bottoms. And I usually will take these trades when they're at a level of support or resistance. I typically don't take them if they are somewhere else. But like here, no, that's not, there's no divergence there. They're going the same way. But you definitely, you look for these. Here's one. Like I say, then here's a double bottom. Yeah, once you see these, and you can't unsee them after you see them. So here's the retest. You could have gotten in here and boom, there's 54 pips, easily done. So when this occurs at these double tops and double bottoms, you really know you're probably more than likely going to have a nice move. So try this out. I hope this helps you some or gives you something else to throw in your forex arsenal. You can see it on the MACD, the RSI, the stochastic, and the TDI. The TDI is by far my favorite. I do use the stochastic quite a bit, but this TDI, I use the Tawan Lewis. It shows everything in the markets. And it's really just a great indicator. I've tried other ones, but this is by far my favorite. So this strategy works during news events and any time frame, but the higher time frames usually mean big moves are going to happen. So I trade on the 5 minute, 15 minutes, sometimes the 1 hour. So I'm just a 25 pip and dipper. That's kind of my strategy. I don't want to be sitting at my charts all day. I'm shooting videos and things, but so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and let me know. Leave some comments down below and let me know how this strategy worked out for you. What you think? What's your favorite strategy? I'd love to hear from you. All right, guys, I will catch you in the next video.